Last week we did a Korean style chicken salad with Costco roast chicken. This week I want to show you how I make sort of American style chicken salad sandwich with the leftover Costco chicken. I have many ways to use that whole roast chicken. Here we have sort of the dark meat left and I shredded it. Make sure you get rid of all the bones and shred into small pieces because we want to put it into a sandwich. You don't want it to be falling apart. If you remember the roast chicken skin, we didn't really use it for the Korean salad. This is always very tasty to use the skin as well. To this, I have chopped apples. You can use any kind of apples. Granny Smith is good, but here I have just regular Fuji style apples here. I'm going to add raisins, but you can replace it with dried cherries or even cranberries. Apples and raisins and chicken, it's a perfect combination. I will add a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Make sure that the apples don't turn color. And also it adds that kind of a fresh sour taste to it. Of course, mayonnaise. Here I'm using Dijon mustard, but you can use any kind of French mustard. Spoon. We'll mix it. Chicken salad is ready. Small dinner rolls here, which is kind of nice to put the chicken salad. You can have it for afternoon tea or snacks or even for lunch. Put the chicken salad. You don't really need to add more mustard or mayonnaise on the bread because there's enough. Again, this week I have my husband here to taste my chicken salad sandwich. I made this chicken salad with the Costco roast chicken.
Oh, good.
So, and
Very
it's
good.
on your favorite roll. And
This is the roll that I bought.
Yeah, this is the roll you bought. You drove 30 minutes and bought it.
Yes.
Yes, so it has apples and raisins in it too.
Wow. Okay, let's see how it tastes. Very good.
Very good. You know, my husband's favorite vocabulary or the word is very good. So it just means it's okay. So when it's really, really fantastic, what do you say?
Very, very good.
All right. I hope that you make this for your family. This is really great for picnics. And when you go to, let's say, Hollywood Bowl for a concert, make it for your friends and family. So see you next week. You want to say goodbye and see you next week?
Bye. See you next week.
See you next week.
Again next week.